we'll guide you through how to add subtitles in CapCut. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and start a new project or open an existing one. Import the video you want to add subtitles to by clicking the Import button and selecting your file. Once your video is in the timeline, click on the text option in the toolbar, then select Auto Captions if you want CapCut to automatically generate subtitles for your video. This feature uses AI to transcribe and sync the subtitles with the audio. If you prefer to add subtitles manually, click on Add Text and type your subtitles in the text box that appears. You can adjust the position of each text box on the timeline to match when you want the subtitles to appear. To customize the look of your subtitles, use the text editing options available. You can change the font, size, color, and even add effects to make them stand out. Preview your video to ensure the subtitles are correctly synced and visually appealing. When you're satisfied, click on the Export button to save your video with the subtitles included. Make sure to choose the correct resolution and file format for your needs. Adding subtitles can make your videos more accessible and engaging, allowing a wider audience to enjoy your content. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.